In 1935, a dust-kicking adventure hit the screens. Enter No Man's Range, a classic tale of imposters and fierce heroism. This film doesn't just entertain, it offers timeless lessons that resonate even today. Meet Jim Hale, portrayed by Bob Steele. He's summoned by rancher Ed Oliver. But chaos awaits when Jim and his trusty sidekick, Fuzz, arrive. They discover that the real Ed Oliver has been kidnapped. A villain named Ed Brady has replaced him with a look-alike. Brady's goal: to grab control of the Green Ranch and dominate the territory. But our heroes won't back down. Jim and Fuzz team up with Helen Green to reveal the deception. Their mission: rescue Oliver and restore justice. A fierce battle brews as the law of the range hangs in the balance. No Man's Range embodies 1930s Western storytelling. It's fast-paced, with clear morals and a hero who rushes into danger. Bob Steele brings a unique mix of grit and charm. The themes of loyalty, identity, and the shaky nature of frontier justice ring true throughout the film. The plot may seem simple: an imposter rancher. Yet, the drama keeps the stakes high and the tension palpable. However, like many B-Western films of its time, it moves at lightning speed. Character motivations often feel rushed. Villains aren't always memorable, and the budget constraints show in the scenery and action sequences. Despite its flaws, the film's heartfelt sincerity gives it a lasting charm. It reflects the 1930s craving for straightforward morality tales. These stories shaped the American West mythology, an individual standing for justice, believing that one good man can tip the balance. The impact of No Man's Range is clear. It helped cement Bob Steele's reputation as a reliable Western star during an era of prolific cowboy films. From this film, we learn essential truths. First, truth can be fragile. Deception often tries to seize power. Secondly, loyalty truly matters. The friends who stand with you in chaos will define your fate. Lastly, courage can be simple: it's often just doing the right thing when no one else will. In conclusion, No Man's Range may not be flawless, but it delivers a fast-paced, energetic narrative with moral depth. It's emblematic of the filmmaking era: lean, earnest, with a timeless appeal of good versus evil. Most importantly, it reminds us that justice is always worth fighting for. So, what do you think? Ready to dive into the world of classic westerns? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this adventure.